I'm Don Hammond, California's criminal defense hero. Today I want to talk a little bit about expungements. Penal Code Section 1203.4 allows most crime convictions to be dismissed after a conviction and after probation terms are satisfied. That means that instead of checking yes on those job applications, saying, yes, I've been convicted of a crime, most people are eligible to go back and have the conviction dismissed so that on that same job application, you can say, nope, never been convicted, and yes, I'll take that job. Misdemeanor cases are eligible, and some felonies are eligible as long as there was no state prison time served. If there was state prison time, then we roll over into a process called a certificate of rehabilitation, which is a little bit more complicated, but still an option for people with those more serious convictions. But pretty much any misdemeanor and an awful lot of felonies in California, people can go back and ask the court to retroactively set aside the conviction, enter a plea of not guilty, and dismiss the case, allowing the applicant to say, nope, never been convicted of anything. This is hugely helpful in people's job searches and for people who want to work with charitable organizations or in other situations. It'll still show up on government background checks. So if you're looking to be a peace officer or something like that, they would still see it, but invariably licensing agencies will consider the expungement to be a positive factor in their evaluation, and it really opens up a huge world of opportunities. So if you're looking to get your old record expunged or dismissed, give us a call, 323-529-3660. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.